Hey everybody, Joshua Crossman here with PTL Flooring. Today's question I get a lot is, what do I do with my stuff? Where do I put my furniture? So a lot of people don't think of this right away when they want new flooring, is that everything has to come off the floor and be put somewhere while the new flooring is getting installed. So first option is to any room that's not getting new flooring in it. Put your stuff in there, slide your bookcases, hopefully your couches, whatever you can. Find those extra rooms and spaces. If you're really good at Tetris, this will be a lot easier for you. A covered porch is a good option. We're here in Washington, so we always recommend covering that with some plastic, a tarp, something to protect it from the rain and the weather. The garage, a lot of people fill their garage up with their couches, their beds, all those big items. They're hard to get into a room most of the time, like a bedroom. It's hard to get a couch into a bedroom, so a garage will be a good location for that. And then the final option that is out there is to get a portable storage unit. That's basically what it is. It's just a big box that locks up. You can put your furniture in it, lock it up. It stays dry for the duration of the work that's being completed. And some of these companies will even store that box off-site for you. So if you're in a neighborhood that you just don't have the space to keep the box there out front of your house, they will pick it up, store it at their facility, and then bring that back when your project is completed. So those are your options for getting the furniture out of the way. Keep in mind, you probably want to ask some buddies over to help you move stuff. If you got a lot of big items, I do recommend getting them some food and some snacks to make that a little more pleasurable experience. Make it a party, a moving party, so to speak, to help you out. And I hope you have a great day.